I don't know about you, but this election season has me stressed. So why not do some stress baking and make a ton of cookies? Today, we aren't just making any cookies. We'll be testing out 3 cookie recipes written by first ladies. And then my roommates will come and try them in a blind taste test and see who has the best cookie. Let's do it. First up, chocolate chip cookies. Combine the flour, salt, and baking soda in a medium bowl. In a large bowl, we're then gonna add our vegetable shortening, brown sugar, granulated sugar, and vanilla extract. We'll beat that on medium speed until creamy. Add the eggs and mix those until it's light and fluffy. Gradually add our flour mixture, and then we'll mix in the oats. She has you fold in some chocolate chips until evenly distributed. And using a rounded tablespoon, drop the batter onto greased baking sheets. And there you have it, chocolate chip cookies. I'm not even gonna tell you what's in here. I just want you to taste it and experience it.
This is amazing. So good. It's not like dry, it's not crunchy. It's almost chewy. I really like the texture a lot.
So there's oatmeal in this chocolate chip cookie.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, why put oats in a perfectly good chocolate chip cookie, you know? But honestly, I think this is what this cookie needed.
Yeah. This is probably the best chocolate chip cookie I've ever had.
Yeah.
I love it.
Nice. We'll be back. Next up, we have sour cream star cookies. She has you mix together the flour and baking soda in a medium bowl. Then we'll bring in a large bowl and add butter and powdered sugar. We'll mix that until it's smooth and creamy. And then we'll add the egg, an egg white, sour cream, and beat that until it's light yellow and fluffy. Next, we're gonna gradually add our flour mixture into the wet ingredients, beating until they're just combined. We'll then shape the dough into 2 discs and wrap them in plastic wrap. Liberally flour your surface and roll out your dough until it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. And then, using a 2-inch star cookie cutter, cut out as many cookies as you can and transfer them to a greased baking sheet. And here you have it, sour cream star cookies.
I don't really taste anything. I feel like if they put some icing on it, some red, white, and blue, spruce it up a little bit. I don't like this one. It needs some sugar.
I like the shape, it's festive. Last up, we have citrus shortbread cookies. In a large bowl, add 1.5 cups of butter and caster sugar and mix that on medium speed until smooth. Then we'll add our egg yolks and beat until fluffy. She has you add in 2 tablespoons of amaretto, lemon zest, and orange zest, and we're gonna mix those until just combined. Working in batches, we're gonna incorporate our flour and salt using the hand mixer on low speed until no dry spots remain. Just be careful not to overwork the dough. We'll then spread the dough evenly into a 17 by 12 inch by 1 inch sheet pan, making sure it's as smooth as possible. I had a hard time with this part, so I ended up using a bench scraper to really get it smooth. We'll then brush the dough with egg white and cover with the remaining 2 tablespoons of sugar. And there you have it, citrus shortbread cookies. All right, so we have our last and final cookie, guys.
Yay.
Dig in.
That's definitely different. It's like citrusy.
It's super buttery, lemony.
Most cookies are like nuts or chocolate. Not really fruity, but this is good. Definitely needs some milk or something with it.
Definitely needs some milk.
But it's delicious.
So we just tasted all 3 of our cookies. So now let's bring them all out and see which one these guys like the best. Are you guys ready to pick the winner?
This one's really good. This is easily my favorite. First of all, it looks the best to me. Tastes the best. And the texture, maybe it's the oatmeal, I don't know, but this is just a really phenomenal cookie.
I'm tied between the orange shortbread and the oatmeal one. I'd say the orangey shortbread one is my favorite. It has a really good chewy texture to it, and the orangey taste really brings out the entire cookie. Yeah, this one's my favorite.
So this one, the sour cream star cookie, is Melania Trump's recipe. This oat chocolate chip cookie is Hillary Clinton's. And Michelle Obama made these citrusy shortbread cookies. So you chose Michelle's cookie and you chose Clinton's cookie. All right, well, you test them at home and you let us know what you think. And remember, go vote.
Oh, yes.